Who doesn't know about Patanjali, the producer of oils to toothpaste? Through Patanjali Foods, the group also has a presence in the stock market. This allows retail investors to become part of this conglomerate. Patanjali Foods is part of Patanjali Group and it has various business segments. The company has 43 manufacturing units across the country. It has 25 processing plants, out of which 19 are operating.
Patanjali Foods was previously known as Ruchi Soya Industries. Patanjali Group acquired this company for 4,350 crore rupees in September 2019 under the bankruptcy process. In May 2021, it purchased Patanjali's biscuit, cookies and rusk business for 60 crore rupees, thereby entering the food business. In April 2022, the name of Ruchi Soya was changed to Patanjali Foods. Currently, the promoters hold a stake of 80.82%, but they will need to sell approximately 6% of their shares to comply with SEBI's minimum public shareholding regulations. Now coming to the food business, the company has 8 categories under it, which incorporates 242 products including Chyawanprash, honey, etc. The second category is nutraceuticals and wellness products. The company has products in the categories of general nutrition, multivitamins and weight management. Under sports nutrition, the company offers energy supplements and mass muscle gainers. In medical nutrition, the company has products such as diabetic nutrition, dialysis nutrition, bone health, NMX and more. The third category is oil palm plantation. The company has an allocated area of 6.23 lakh hectares, out of which farming is being conducted on 62,102 hectares. The company is working with 44,026 farmer families across 11 states. The fourth category is edible oil. Patanjali Foods is one of the leading edible oil companies in the country. It has brands such as Ruchi Gold, Mahakosh, Nutrella, Sunrich and Ruchi Star under its portfolio. The company also has businesses in oleochemicals and wind power. It has a total production capacity of 84.6 megawatts across 6 states.
The company has a strong distribution network with 4,763 distributors across the country. It has a presence in 4,57,788 retail outlets nationwide. As of December 2020, the company's products were being exported to 31 countries. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been an increased focus on healthcare products. With an increased focus on organized sectors and nationalism, it is expected that the sales of the company's products will increase. Vertical integration will enhance technical knowledge, enabling the benefits of one segment to be shared with other segments.
The management appears to exhibit discipline due to efficiency, reduced debt, and the collective functioning of all segments. The company has decentralized its decision-making process, which helps in making quick decisions. It maintains strong relationships with its customers, employees, small suppliers, and vendors. Now let's take a look at the financial performance. The company's financial performance is also good. Its profit is continuously increasing. In FY22, the company's profit was 806 crore rupees, which increased by 9% in FY23 to reach 886 crore rupees. Recently, Patanjali has been in the news. It has given a vision document for the next 5 years, in which the company has presented an aggressive strategy for the next 5 years. The company aims a revenue target of 50,000 crore rupees and an operating profit of 5,000 crore rupees. In FY23, the company's operating profit came at 1,577 crore rupees.
Now let us look at the growth triggers of the company. The company has a strong presence in edible oil with brands like Ruchi Gold, Mahakosh and Sunrich, which will help in gaining market share from unbranded players as customers will move towards branded items. Backward integration will reduce the volatility in raw material prices. Presence across the value chain will help in better tracking of the whole supply chain. Helping farmers through the palm plantation program will lead to better relations, and work towards reducing palm oil imports will improve relations with all stakeholders.
Patanjali Foods is a very well diversified and a very strong geographically positioned, Ayurveda product company. I think largely it is into edible oils, it is into biscuits, it is into nutritional products, basically low calorie, high protein products. And new product launches are definitely going to be a near-term trigger. Secondly, on the raw material side, the bigger trigger is that most of the input prices like palm oil plus other crude derivative input prices have come down, from their peak levels by almost 25-30%. So this raw material reduction is going to act as a very strong earnings trigger in the next 1 or 2 quarters, which would get reflected in the numbers. And thirdly, the bigger trigger would be the dilution of the existing shareholding structure of the promoter, that is Baba Ramdevji. They currently hold 80% stake, which is now going to be brought down to the regulated 75% level in the next 3 to 6 months.
Now let us look at the valuations of the company. Its PE ratio as per for FY24 earnings is 23.6 and for FY25 earnings is 20.4. The company shares are trading 27% below its 52-week high. Its current market price is around 1,100 rupees per share. Most of the brokers have given buy ratings on the stock. ICICI Direct has given a target price of 1,750 rupees and Antique has given a target price of 1,725 rupees.
Patanjali Foods, as of date, trades at a slightly fair to expensive valuation of almost 40 times if you talk about FY23 numbers. But if one looks at the kind of growth numbers which are expected in FY24 and 25, typically volume growth is expected to be double digit. And most importantly, EBITDA margins are going to at least improve by 100 to 200 basis points.
So figures suggest that Patanjali is fundamentally a good company. Experts feel that investing in its shares will give you good returns. But keep in mind, nothing is guaranteed in the share market. Experts generally recommend that if a company's fundamentals are strong, its financial performance is encouraging and valuations are attractive, and then you can bet on it.